Experts are warning Americans to brace for one or more fatal terrorist attacks on U.S. soil before the end of the year. These warnings are related to a new approach by al-Qaeda and its supporters to overwhelm enemies with small, more frequent attacks designed to disrupt, sabotage, and kill. The strategy is referred to as death by 1,000 cuts, and it poses a new and potentially insurmountable threat to American lives. On September 11, 2001, al-Qaeda's attacks killed nearly 3,000 people and injured over 6,000 more. Terrorist plots and attacks have grown in sophistication since 9/11. Lethal attacks have since occurred around the globe, in countries such as England, Spain, and Egypt, and al-Qaeda is reported to be especially pleased with the 2008 Mumbai attacks, in which a small group of terrorists killed nearly 200 men, women, and children in a coordinated series of attacks. A recent bipartisan congressional review panel concluded that the United States is highly vulnerable with respect to numerous attacks planned by a decentralized, growing, and lethal community of terrorists. One congressional statement offered this pessimistic conclusion: terrorists still have innocent people in their sights and the will to murder them. Officials cite evidence that a significant and diverse number of viable operations are being developed by individuals, some with direct links to al-Qaeda and others acting as rogues. While al-Qaeda continues to set its sights on passenger and cargo planes, terrorists are also committed to attacks on trains, bridges, shopping malls, city centers, and sporting events. Recently foiled attacks on U.S. targets as geographically diverse as New York City, Chicago, Denver, and Portland serve as reminders of the country's vulnerability to a strategy of small-scale, deadly attacks. Officials also warn, however, that terrorists continue to gain access to biological, chemical, and even nuclear weapons, with the intention of striking a significant blow to the United States. With only about 1% of all containers shipped into U.S. ports opened and inspected, experts warn that these threats are real. The message coming from multiple sources is clear. It's not a matter of whether there will be a successful attack on our soil, but rather when, and with what types of devastating consequences.